It's super cool, guys. If you follow the steps in the video, it's going to work for you. So keep watching, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you get Assoluto Racing modded version 2025 for iOS and Android. So let me show you. As you can see in the game, I'm broke, right? But I'm going to show you guys how to get rich. So in the mod menu, you can actually get unlimited coins. Check out my balance. It's ass. But I'm going to turn on unlimited coins right here, and then they're going to start increasing. So let's see if they go up. And we'll be rich on Assoluto Racing, guys. How exciting is that? So yeah, as you can see, this is what we're dealing with currently. Nothing to write home about, but hopefully it goes up. So let's see what happens. And no change, unfortunately, but it could go up. So let's see what happens. And bang, guys, as you can see, it's going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this modded version for your device. Works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So the first step is going to be go to the browser and just go to this website right here. So the website is called tweakmod.com. So on this site, guys, I just want you to type in Assoluto Racing, press install, and before it downloads the mod, there will be a verification step. This is the last step. Basically what it is you gotta download 2 apps and follow the instructions. 100% for free from official App Store. Once you do this, the mod will be installed. So I'm just gonna wait for this to load here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to load up, and we're gonna be all good to go. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So I'm just gonna wait. All right, so now it's gonna take us to the verification. So yeah, we're gonna be going on to that. So basically, guys, as you can see, it says missing files. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps and follow instructions, 100% for free. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. So it's just like an app. I could do that. Could do the Evertail, could do Travel Town. You got to reach level 9. They're all pretty simple. But yeah, a lot of people are like unaware of this, but it's pretty easy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, for this Travel Town one, you got to reach level 9, but that's pretty easy. So that's how to get Assoluto Racing hack, iOS and Android. Try it out, guys, and enjoy it.